and good evening wherever you are. Welcome back guys sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So for today, I'm excited to share to you my homemade chicken sausage. And alam nyo guys, homemade is not the best, but it tastes better, right? Right, because we cook with love and passion. Tama, diba? That's why ang motto natin for today ay do not buy, instead DIY or do it yourself, okay? So, tara guys, let's prepare our homemade chicken sausage. So, ito guys yung mga ingredients na prepare ko. So, let's mix all together on a mixing bowl, okay? Okay guys, so let's mix all together our ingredients. So, meron tayong grated garlic, and then grated luya, ginger, and then chopped onions. Okay, white onion guys yung ginamit ko dito. And then meron tayong oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon guys of oyster sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then ang ating mga pampalasa guys is half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, meron tayong magic sarap, so option lang din to guys. Then meron tayong Spanish paprika, meron tayong cayenne pepper and brown sugar, okay? So mix together. Then of course guys, ang ating minced chicken, okay? So half kilo po ito. And then of course, last to put ay ang ating sesame oil, or you can use olive oil or ordinary oil. And then of course guys, let's mix well using our mahiwagang kamay. Nagamit tayo ng plastic gloves. So kung may blender kayo guys, much better, right? So mix well lang. So kaliwete ako guys. Okay guys, so after mixing well, let's rest our mixture sa ref for about 1 to 2 hours. So let's cover with a cling wrap.
One hour later.
Okay guys, so after an hour na naka-chill sa ref ang ating mixture, ready na nating balutin ang ating chicken sausage. And maglalagay ako guys ng cheddar cheese para sa ating filling, okay? So, ang gagamitin kong pambalot guys is yung cling wrap. So, kung meron kayong cling wrap or yung pwede rin siguro yung sa pambalot ng ice candy. Okay? So, wala nang sukat-sukat guys. Tansya-tansya na lang kung gaano karami. Pero, of course, kung pang business nyo guys, dapat meron siyang timbang. Okay? Yan. So, siguro 1 teaspoon. Dagdagan natin. So, siguro 2. Gawin natin 2 teaspoon. Ayan. So, flatten muna natin siya guys. Make sure na flat na flat. And then, let's put cheese. So, option lang naman to guys. Pero gusto ko cheesy ang ating sausage. So, maglalagay tayo ng cheddar cheese. Ayan. And then, roll natin. So, madali lang to guys. And for sure, magugustuhan to ng mga kids. Okay, and then, let's coat. Balutin na natin. Yan. So, very simple lang guys, di ba? And then, cut natin. Para lang tayong lalaro. So, tight natin end to end. Parang gumagawa din tayo ng longganisa. Yan. So, it's up to you na rin kung gaano kahaba ang sausage na gagawin mo. Okay? So, and then, sa akin, yan, ibubuhol ko na lang siya, guys. Gaya din ng paggawa ko ng aking homemade longganisa. Yan. Okay guys, so nakaisa na tayo. Okay guys, so nakagawa tayo ng 9 na pirasong chicken sausage out of half kilogram of chicken. Okay? So, next is ibuboil natin ang ating chicken sausage. And, ito guys, boiling ng ating water. Ayan, it's ready to put our sausage. Okay? So, let's boil our sausage for siguro 15 minutes. Ayan guys, so, see you after a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so okay na ang ating sausages. And then, let's put on it cold ice water with ice. So, ibabad lang natin siya guys for about 5 minutes. Then, after that, pwede na natin siyang i-fry or i-grill. Okay?
5 minutes later.
So, okay na guys. Pwede na natin i-drain ang ating sausage. So, yung iba guys, pwede nyo nang ilagay sa ref. And then, you can fry or grill. Okay guys, so try tayo. Siya. So, yung cheese natin, kumalat. Dahil siguro sa, ano din, pag-boil natin. So, siguro, ang pag-boil nyo lang, guys, is mga, ang suggested na, ano, is siguro 5 minutes, okay na. Don't overcook. Okay, guys, so let's fry. So, okay na siya guys. Tingnan nyo, lumalabas na yung cheese niya. So, cheesy. Ayan. So, let's put into plate. Okay guys, so may prepare din akong sinangag with egg. Plus, ang ating homemade sausage. Chicken sausage. Ayan. So, tatawagin natin tong sausilog. Sausage, sinangag, itlog. Ayan guys. So yummy. So, it's tasting time. So, first bite ko pa lang, purong-purong chicken. Wala siyang halong extender kasi nga homemade. And then, yung lasa niya masarap. Yung combination ng mga ingredients natin, and we put cheese, cheesy, mas pinasarap. Panalo to guys, try nyo to. Again, ang ating motto for the day, do not buy, instead DIY or do it yourself, and homemade is not the best, but it tastes better. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. And by the way, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye for now. Take care.